Welcome to Jared's Bike Checks, where motorized bikes are a way of life. Let's get to it. So, I've made it, I don't know, middle of fucking nowhere. Put some gas in it. Stopped by this little country store right down the street right there. Got the gas. Got me a sandwich. And then ultimately just got ran the fuck off because they just fucking places just started swarming. I mean, it's like country store fucking breakdown, so I got the hell out of there. Come over here, get me some cigarettes, put in a safety meeting, give me this goddamn helmet. What else is there? I'm about 50 miles from my destination now, so I've covered the first 100. So, about to be 150. Probably taking 2 hours, 3 hours tops. I'll probably stop at a restaurant and get something to eat. Post up a bunch of these videos. Try to shoot a little more footage, I guess. A little bit of, what do we got? Oh, get down by that water, get my hook in there, get some catfish coming. But mostly I'm ready for that damn safety meeting. It's been a few minutes. The Wall Gooses served me well. I ain't had no problems. Been kicking its ass. Yeah, let's get me in the photo with it. Hell yeah. Got that popping front end right there. Bam. Lime green. So what we got down here is that's a can of extra fuel. That's the reserve. Some premium in there for a little bit of ethanol-free premium for reserve. But I haven't needed to use it. This thing's running like 50, 55 miles to the gallon. I mean, half gallon. So it's probably 100, 110 to the gallon. All right, well, I checked in. Thanks, guys.